Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset oil life on your Lincoln Nautilus. First, ensure your vehicle is off, then press the start button without touching the brake pedal to turn on the accessories. Next, use the controls on your steering wheel to navigate to the main menu on your instrument cluster. From there, select Settings and then proceed to the Vehicle submenu. This initial step is crucial for accessing the Oil Life Reset function. Once you are in the Vehicle submenu, scroll down until you find the Oil Life option. Select this to view your current oil life percentage, which is typically shown as a number from 0 to 100%. This display gives you an immediate overview of your engine oil's remaining lifespan. It's a good practice to check this regularly, especially after an oil change, to ensure the system is ready for a reset. To reset the oil life, simply press and hold the OK button on your steering wheel for a few seconds while on the Oil Life screen. You will then see a prompt asking if you want to reset the oil life. Confirm this action by selecting Yes. Once confirmed, your oil life monitor will reset to 100%, indicating a fresh start for your engine's oil tracking system. This completes the essential steps for a successful reset. After confirming the reset, double-check your instrument cluster to ensure the oil life now displays 100%. This final verification step confirms that the procedure was successful and your vehicle system is accurately tracking your new oil. Remember, regular oil changes are vital for engine health. Also, for a fresh car interior, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.